Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Easter's coming up, and Easter is a massive festival here in Cyprus. It's even bigger than Christmas. So loads of Easter decorations going up. We're starting off here at Decorative, and we're going to walk up the high street on the main road, and we'll have a look at some Easter decorations. Oh, look at these are lovely, aren't they? Beautiful. Right, let's go across the road and say hello to the chickens. Do you like that song, guys? Chick, 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 chicken, lay a little egg for me. I had one for my breakfast, and now it's time for tea. Chick, 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 chicken, lay a little egg for me. So we've got a yellow egg. Why? Should be red. Oh, it's got decorations, that's right. Hello, chicken. Ooh, it's a big rooster. Let's go over here. There's this sign for Decorative. There's a fountain as well. That's the fire station, the background. And I'm going to be walking all the way towards Decorative town centre. There we are, more chickens in the basket. And we should find more chickens and Easter decorations. This is the Citizens Advice Centre. If you're not familiar with it, guys, very, very useful. Lots of people always asking questions like, can I buy a house? Can I live here? All that sort of stuff. Go straight to the people who know what they're talking about. This is it, the Citizens Advice Centre. Always willing to help. Now I'm going to be walking across the road again because I spotted another chicken. Right, watch it. Oh, looks like we've had new tarmac. That's nice. And there's a bike track and a new development. Wow, look how deep that is. There are new apartments there at the back, new ones at the front here, and I think there's some more coming. So there we are, new developments here in Decorative. Very, very popular little town. If you go down to the main road, you've got Sitter's up there, and we're coming up to another chicken, and this one's laid a blue egg. Oh, you look nice. There we are, and a blue egg indicating freedom. Let's cross the floating carpet. This is the National Insurance Office. There we are. Any queries about your national insurance, guys, can go in there. It's all done online nowadays anyway. So let's cross the road. There we are. There we are, Yvonne. We've got a little chick. Not sure about that egg. Some candles. Oh, massive pig egg. The crew calls these the evil bunnies. She thinks they look quite evil. Oh, I think they look cute. So there's a little church, the original little church of St George's. We'll go inside in a minute. If you notice, the door entrance is not very high at all. That's because the pavement or the outside goes higher and higher. And if we go inside, wow, this is beautiful. There should be some lights somewhere. Oh, that's the original beam, and then we've got new beams, new doors. Oh, the original lock, look at that. Wow, beautiful. I can't find the lights. Anyway, we've got St George's there. Lovely little old church. Look at that. Original icon there. Shame there's not a date. I think that's at least a couple of 100 years old. Anyway, let's get out. Today, we're going look round for some bunnies. For some chickens. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to cross the road. Oh, hello. How are you? Off you go. There's another friend of mine. By the way, if you live in Cyprus, everyone knows you. Whether you're a YouTuber, painter and decorator like my friend that just gone by, everyone knows everybody. So I'm gonna go pass onto the main road and see these little chickens or little chicks. Oh, they're cute. There's a little bunny with them. That one needs a bit of a paint. Some get repainted, and then every year we get new ones as well pop up. So new bunnies and new Easter decorations do pop up here and there, and then the old ones get refurbished. Like this bunny here, I think he's been repainted this year. Looks very smart. There's some more little chickens across the road and some Easter eggs. There we are. Now this one's got the traditional red egg. There we are. We boil the eggs and then dye them red. That represents the blood of Christ. So we boil the eggs, put them in red food dye, and then bash them against each other on Easter. So go through the town square. We should find some more decorations. Oh, this has been recently refurbished. Oh wow, look at that. That was up for sale a little while ago. There we are. It looks beautiful. And there's another one up for sale actually further on. It's quiet, isn't it? It's an unusual square actually, or I'm going to call it a high street, because we've got a variety of shops and houses. Very unusual. I think high streets, especially in the UK, tend to be dying nowadays, aren't they? Not very good, and they should come over here and see what they've done here, where they've got residential houses and everything's changed to a residential area. Now this is the one that was up for sale. I'm not sure if it's still for sale or someone's bought it. This corner plot here, can't remember how much it was now. I think it was very reasonable. It's a shop with apartments at the top. I can't see a for sale sign. Oh, I do believe I did see it advertised. It was very, very cheap. Needs a lot of work. But no for sale signs here. Now this is the square going up to the church. You can see a restaurant on the right hand side. with some decorations. This is a little park. Here's the coffee shop. There, the big church of Dorinya, the main church in Dorinya. Much bigger than the one we've seen, St George's, and I think this one's been extended. You can see the original here on the right hand side, then an extension there, and then we've got a new bell tower, or newish, probably still 150 odd years old. And if I step up, I'm going to go around the church, because last time I was here was quite a while ago. Look out for the video. They did restore this whole area. They were restoring the walls, and it's all finished now, apart from this pergola. Here we are, beautiful church. Isn't it wonderful? Yeah, they were putting up a new wall, and a beautiful job. There's the back of the church. I think they sandblasted the stonework, fixed the doorways, painted the grills, and all this is quite new. And I'm hoping I could still open the door for the bell tower. Last time it was open. Yep, no lock. So you can open that. It's a bit hicklety picklety, but it does open. There we are. Okay. There we go. Go inside. There we go. It's right up there. There we go. Wow. Looks like it's all electronic now. So close that door. Looks like we've got the original furniture. Ooh, squeakiness. Ooh. A bit of oil on that. There we are. Not quite in line. I think they've used the original hinges and then it's dropped. I think they need to brace it. Never mind. There we go. Look at the carvings on that bell tower. Beautiful ornate bell tower, and look at the top. I haven't got a date, unfortunately. There's not even one on top of the door, but I think it's definitely extended from a small little church to a bigger church. What a lovely area. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.